Swadizim Sensin. In the next episode of Swadizim Sensin, Fikret will decide to confess the truth publicly, but his announcement will expose a second secret no one expects. He will invite Irkan, Dikal, Tahir, Isat, and Inse to the mansion and state that he will answer every question without hiding behind threat or excuses. Irkan will arrive prepared to hear that Fikret is his biological father. Dikal will remain beside him, reminding him that whatever is revealed cannot change the person he has become. Fikret will begin by admitting that he loved Irkan's mother before she married Isat. He will confess that he believed Irkan was his son and spent years watching from a distance. However, he will then reveal that he never received proof. The DNA test ordered by Tahir was the first real opportunity to confirm the relationship. Isat will accuse Fikret of building an entire claim on an old romance. Sinsi will interrupt and admit that she deliberately allowed both men to believe different versions of the truth. He will explain that Irkan's life was threatened before his truth because of a conflict involving both families. By keeping his father's identity uncertain, she prevented one side from using the child as leverage. Irkan will feel betrayed by everyone and leave before she finishes. Dikal will follow him to the village where he will confess that he no longer knows which memories are genuine and which designed for him. Dikal will tell him that identity is also formed by the choices a person make after learning the truth. Meanwhile, Tahir will obtain the authentic DNA result and discover that Fikret is indeed Irkan's father before he can deliver it. Farman will intercept him. Farman will plan to reveal the result at the most destructive moment, believing Irkan will lose his place in the older family. Yet when Farman confronts Irkan publicly, Irkan will surprise him by saying that blood cannot decide where he belongs. He will acknowledge Fikret without rejecting the family that raised him. This mature response will ruin Farman plans. The next episode may end with Isat privately. He admits to Dikal that he always knew Fikret and Irkan's father but raised Irkan as his own because he loved him. Dikal will then realize that Isat's harshness may hide genuine affection, making the conflict more emotional than a simple battle between a truthful father